Hey guys, and welcome to part 4 of my first fashion show series. In this one, we can finally look at the final results, and they're so exciting. Also, excuse the next clip because I was so tired and I look very, very dead. It's like 8 in the morning, I think, which normally wouldn't be so bad, but I was working like I don't know how long into the night, so I'm freaking tired. I feel like I'm gonna die, and all the dresses have to be finished today because I need to sew on like 500 pieces of glass on the dress, and I was counting, and I have like 8 hours to do it, so I should start like now. Hey guys, it's like 11 p.m. I think. Yeah, I just came back from a fashion show, and this is the first fashion show, and our show is tomorrow. I asked the lady that's like organizing everything, and she said that I have to bring the pieces at 5 p.m. tomorrow. So it's 11. I had an energy drink, and I'm determined this it's gonna be done today, because tomorrow I just want to relax and I want to be able to enjoy the fashion show, because it's like, my childhood dream, so I don't want to stress the whole day about this not being finished. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit on it. I hope it's gonna take only like around 2 to 3 hours, so it shouldn't be too bad. I don't go to sleep at like before 2 anyways, so yeah. Okay, it's 2 a.m. I thought I'm gonna be faster, but guess I'm not. So I'm gonna finish this part tomorrow, but otherwise everything's done, so that's nice. I think it should take like 2 hours max, so should be fine. It's just annoying that I have to do like something else, but yeah, doesn't matter. See you tomorrow. Okay, so everything's finally done. I'm just gonna show you all the pieces, and then we are going straight to the fashion show. So this is the seaweed inspired model. I think it came out great, although there are some things that I would do differently now, and I don't think it was a good idea to do this one as the first one. But I guess I had to learn, and now I'm gonna know what to do next time. This is how it looks from the front. And this is the back. One thing I'd like to say about what we're doing here, it's not dangerous. Like, I've put out one reel where the model is visible, and everyone's going crazy saying that it's dangerous and it's gonna injure the model, and what if she falls, whatever. Guys, first of all, like, the pieces are not sharp. It's not sharp. There's no way she's gonna injure herself in like on the piece on its own. Yeah, if she fell, it might break. Like, nothing will happen. And like, I'm sorry, but have people never seen a proper fashion show? Have you seen, for example, like Balenciaga shows? Those are crazy. Like, I don't know what people are going crazy about. There's so many
like glass pieces on runways and people don't even know it. So sorry, but this is not dangerous. Like, you can calm down. It's not gonna kill the model. Chill out. Anyways, let's move on to the water inspired design. Okay, so I think this one is my favorite. I don't know why, but also like I love the ocean, so that might be why. It's meant to be worn like low waisted plus the glass bra. Also, this is not gonna break, it's not dangerous. Like, I love these pieces that I made for it. Like, they're so fun. I wish there were more, but there was no time. So, hopefully, next time. Also, this is what I was talking about, that like this little ribbon is kind of matching the skirt, so it's not such a bad deal that it's not the same as this one. But you be the judge. I feel like it's fine and I love it. So I think that's the most important. Also, I don't think the mannequin is doing it any justice because it just looks ugly when it's see-through on top of this. But trust me, on the model, it's gonna look incredible. I tried it on myself. Of course, it doesn't fit me properly because it's made for a smaller chest, but like it looks amazing when it's like on your bare skin. So I'm super excited about it. I love how it came out. Let's move on to the last one. This is the final one. Honestly, at first I thought this one's gonna be my favorite, but for some reason it ended up being the ocean inspired one. It's basically just a simple dress with a mesh top that has loads of these beads sewn onto it. Also, as you can see, the cups are not the perfect shade for this mesh fabric, but unfortunately I didn't have time to look for any cups that would be closer to the shade, so I just had to work with this, and I think in the end it kinda came out okay. I thought there's gonna be more of these beads, but I think it would end up being too heavy, and I also didn't have more, so yeah. I can just spread them out. I think it works. In the end, I don't think it's the perfect one for the runway because it doesn't have the like wow effect, the drama effect. Because it's basically just loads of little pieces on a dress, which kinda isn't the perfect thing to do with like a runway piece because who's gonna see it? No one's sitting this close to the dress, so yeah. Also, something to learn for the next time. I need bigger pieces and something that's gonna be much more visible than this. Overall, it looks interesting, but these little pieces look so cute. I think it's a shame it's not gonna be so visible on the runway, but yeah, we live, we learn. I don't think I talked about this yet, but the whole fashion show is happening in a fully functioning tram depot, which is such an interesting spot to make a fashion show. And of course, the fashion show is happening at night. So, what you see now, it's not really what we saw later. Trust me, it looked amazing. These are all the dresses loaded in the car. It was so weird to see my stuff next to things that other artists made. It just felt like I'm finally doing something that I want to do. And this is a little sneak peek of how the visuals look. And there's our logo. We tried everything on the models. Thankfully, everything fit, and then we moved on to the fashion show. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, so the fashion show was yesterday. It was quite nice. I didn't really have time to enjoy our part because we had to go to the backstage and dress the models, and then we went out to watch it, and I had to film stuff just to have, content for social media. And then we went back to take it off of them, so like crazy, but hopefully we should have some nice pictures from the organizers because like the videos I took are not that nice, because we had nice places to sit from the organizers, but we had to go to the backstage, so then we just stood to the side and we didn't have such a nice view. I just want to see the videos. Hopefully they'll give them to me just so I can use them to show you and for Instagram and stuff, but we'll see. For now, I think I'm gonna end this video because I need to get my life together. If you saw how my apartment looks right now, disgusting. There's like fabric all over the floor, and you know how it goes. Just artist mess. I don't know if I'm gonna show you the videos from the fashion show in this video, or if I'm gonna do like a whole new video just talking about it. I'll see. You'll either see them now or not. Either way, have an amazing day. Give it a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.